beautiful face I have found in this place that is circling all around the sun. What a beautiful dream that could flash on the screen in a blink of an eye and be gone from me. Soft and sweet, let me hold it close and keep it here with me. One day we will die and our ashes will fly from the aeroplane over the sea. But for now we are young, let us lay in the sun and count every beautiful thing we can see. Love to be in the arms of all I'm keeping here with me.
National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio, and the National Weather Service in Dallas-Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Hays County in South Central Texas, Central Travis County in South Central Texas, Central Williamson County in Central Texas, Western Bell County in North Central Texas, Southeastern Coryell County in North Central Texas, Northwestern McLennan County in North Central Texas, Central Boss County in North Central Texas, Northwestern Hill County in North Central Texas, Central Johnson County in North Central Texas, Eastern Glen Rose County in North Central Texas, Northwestern Ellis County in North Central Texas, Eastern Tarrant County in North Central Texas, Western Dallas County in North Central Texas, Southeastern Denton County in North Central Texas, Southwestern Collin County in North Central Texas until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located on a line extending from 3 miles north of Wood Creek to Allen, moving east at 35 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for portions of central and north central Texas, including Dallas-Fort Worth, Austin, Killeen, and Waxahachie. Expected hazards include 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts and softball-sized hail. Source: radar and storm spotters confirmed hail up to softball-sized. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, sidings, and vehicles. Locations impacted include locations along Interstate 35 to Dallas-Fort Worth. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 from Kyle to Plano, Interstate 14 from Belton to Coppers Cove. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to a shelter inside a sturdy building away from windows now. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency and they will send a report to the closest National Weather Service office.